What up, guys? Today we're going to be removing some rust on a 10th gen Civic Sport hatchback. So in order for us to get at the rust up in the hinge here, we have to remove this back hatch door. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually remove this hose right here that connects to the liquid window wash. Just remove that. Next we're going to do these. We're going to pop these shock struts out. But make sure you have someone to help hold this with you, because if not, the door is just going to come down. And then we got 4 10mm bolts here that we're also going to remove. And then instead of me pulling all these wires out, we're just going to take the hatch and put it right here and rest it on top of this. Just going to loosen the bolts here before we take the shocks off. I thought about using an impact, but I was like, no, there's no way we're gonna get an impact up in here. Finally. Okay. Turn it.
Yeah, that's good now, but I think we still should put something.
Microfiber?
Like, well, maybe that whole bag.
It's fine. I don't think it's fine anyway. Alright, guys. That was a little hectic.
That was a little stressful.
Shout out to Nate. Nate helped right here. We got it off. Take a little rubbing alcohol. Just clean it before we do the Ospho step. Make sure you want to have a really clean surface here. Ospho. Ospho is what we're going to be using here. Basically, you put it on to prep surfaces and stop the rust and corrosion. So we are back here the next day. Ospho's been on the car all night. We are gonna turn this thing around and we are gonna show you guys how it looks. This is how it looks now. It's pretty much galvanized. It's turned black. In order to remove this, it says that you have to put a little bit more Ospho on it, let it sit for about 30 minutes, and then you're able to rub it off with some soapy water and then some degreaser and a shop towel. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna start taping everything off and getting ready to put some paint and primer on there. It's been about 30 minutes since we put on that new little bit of Ospho. I got some soapy water here and some shop towels, and basically we are going to rub what we've done with the Ospho off. Everything is now dry. I have removed all of the Ospho residue with some soapy water, and our next step is going to be to hit it with some degreaser. Gonna hit it with a couple coats of this, let it dry herself for another 30 minutes, And then I'm gonna tape everything off and get ready to paint and prime it. Alright guys, so it is the next morning. The paint is looking good. It's dry. I did about 2 coats. I literally touched it with the fingers. It's not leaving any marks. It's nice and smooth. So what we're going to be doing next is I'm going to be sealing this with something called Lexel. So I'm going to put a nice smooth line, and then I'm going to use some soapy water and spread it around the areas where I had some rust, basically to seal this and prevent it from getting any future damage. Soapy water. And spread that bit. Spread it. Smells like glue. Got a nice good coat there. Seal it up. So we got the hatchback on, guys. Basically, we got the struts here. We bolted it on at the mounting points. Shout outs to Garrett. Garrett helped me get this bad boy on with the muscle. You know what I'm saying? You got anything you want to say, bro?
We just came in, we did what we had to do, and like, it was a wrap.
That's it.